Hello Stephen, hope you are doing very well. Here I am going to explain the each steps of the project which I have created for you, uh, like otovo.ch. Here I have created a file folder, project website, its name, and inside this folder I have created an image folder and public folder and calc data, JSON data. Here I'm going try to going explain each and every step how to locally run this website successfully. So first, it is necessary to create this public folder because it is a requirement of the Node.js Express framework which I have used in my app. So that's why public folder, and their name should be in small letters, public. We need to open it, and here we can click on this public project website bar. After clicking, we will type cmd at here. The reason for doing this is we need to open all of these files, admin login, contacts, and all these files uh, into a code editor. I am using the Visual Studio Code. You can use it whatever you want. So you can download it from the official website code.visualstudio.com. I will drop the link in the message box. After that, I have used a utility software, XAMPP software, which is used to run the servers locally and attach the databases from it. I have used MySQL database for that. And after that, you can use Node.js. You have to download Node.js in your local system. The latest version is available for the official website node.js.org. After that, you have to do here, you have to write code dot and press enter. After hitting the enter, there will be the code editor will open in this particular folder, and all of these files which are I have written here and kept here, these all files will be open in the code editor, where we can edit code, we can save the code, we can run the code, and all these things. So first I want to close all of these open files which I have previously worked on. After closing this file, I will show you the tree structure I have used to organize all these files. Here you can click and take an overview of all of the files. Admin login.html and node modules I have installed, and also here I have left a readme.instruction file where these npm install express, body parser, express, session SQL, these all necessary packages should be installed in your PC. How you can do that? You can do that simply by entering the public folder, and after that you go to the hamburger menu and select the terminal, new terminal. Here you will open the terminal and you can type whatever command you want to type. Here you can see that C users Muhammad Ilyas desktop project website and public directory is open now. So what we have to do, we have to run all of these commands. Npm first command is npm init. I have already run it in my locally, so I do not wanna press enter because it will duplicate the file which I have already exist, package.lock.json and package.json. So you have to type npm init -y. Sorry, I have mistakenly spelled wrong the init. Okay, npm init -y, press enter. After that, it will bring all of these package.json files which are necessary for this application. There is some utilities requirements which are written in this package.json file. We do not worry about this much. After that, you can use the command which I have given in the instruction: npm install express body parser express session mysql. These all are three different packages of node package manager npm. So you can copy it and paste it at the terminal and they will get started. Press after pressing enter, they will get started installing in your local system. I hope this clear the entire package installation. And if there is any problem or any issue, kindly contact me further. I will briefly explain how to do that. After that, I'm gonna open the XAMPP software which I have told earlier, because this is the ultimate requirement for the servers and the database connection. That's why we are using this uh, free open source XAMPP control panel software. It takes time to be open. After that, here I have created a server.js. You can see that here all of these libraries are imported: const express, require express, app express, path express.router. These are all packages which should be installed after the running the command which I have told earlier: npm install session manager, npm install express body parser, express session and mysql, and many more. After that, these are all the logic of the server which serving the file admin.login and submit form and login.html and each and everything. I have commented and well documented this whole server.js file. You can read as well. Okay, after our XAMPP software is open, so what we have to do, we have to start the Apache and click on the admin. After that, it will get start. And second thing we have to do is we have to start, these are already running, so I have to click on start the Apache and start the MySQL. After hitting the start button, these both two softwares will be start inside our XAMPP. So what we have to do, we have to click on MySQL and corresponding to the admin button. Here a database will open in our local system, localhost php myadmin. Here I have created a node.js database. You can click it, and after that I have made a login user as a table in the database, and here I have created columns in the login user. You can see that by clicking on the column button on the under the login user section. Here you can see that I have used a user ID as a column and username and user pass. After that, we have to click on this. Here I have stored an email of the test email, stephen@gmail.com, and the password is Stephen inside this database which I have created. Here you can see that the user ID is 1 and Stephen@gmail.com and password is Stephen. And whenever we navigate to the login pages, we have to use this username Stephen@gmail.com and user pass is Stephen. As I have given the dummy data inside the database, that's why we will authenticate on the basis of these dummy data. Otherwise it will redirect us to the login page. I will explain each and every steps what I am talking about. I'm not sure that this is clear at that point. So what we have to do, we have to, after installing all these necessary packages, we have to do we have to type node dot node node servs server.js. Here it is going to start the server.js, and it is going to give a message connected to the database successfully. What we have to do, server started on https localhost 3000 port. We have to control enter hit the control and press hold, and after that holding the control button we have to click on this link. Here you can see that it is going to open our localhost, our project on the localhost 3000 port. Okay, here it is the map which you have demanded. If you click on the use current location, it will navigate us to our location, and it will mark this location as well. And after that, if you want to search, for example, I'm gonna search India or Lahore. I'm gonna search Lahore. You can see that it will navigate us to the Lahore portion of this map. Okay, so the map is working fine. And after that, what we have to do, if we want to proceed further, we want to click on a next button. After the clicking next button, it will populate us solar energy calculator. What we have to do, we have to enter the solar panel powers in watts. For example, I'm gonna type 12. Okay, and sunshine hours, for example 24. Calculate the energy. Here you can see that it is outputting us the energy output per day 0.29 kilowatt per day. And after that, energy output per month 8.64 kilowatt per month, energy output per year, and it is going to tell us each and every step. If the user client want to proceed further, start request here, and what he or she gonna do, that type his name. For example, I am giving name is Node.js, and phone number is my phone number or my phone number. And if he or she is gonna leave his email address as well, and calculated how many offers he want, 1 or 2 or 3, and the date which he wanna accomplish or finalize for his project's offer. So he submit this, and he will be redirected to these thanks for reaching out us, and will get back you soon, this page. After that, what we are going to do, that we are gonna first move to our first page, localhost 3000. If we wanna click on sign in button, it redirect us to the user login page. If we enter stephen@gmail.com without password and click enter, it will do not redirect us to the main page. If we hit stephen@gmail.com or and the password should be the Stephen, and click on enter, click on the login, then it will authenticate us to our index.html file, or localhost 3000 port, which is this, looking like this. After that, the partner company, if we hit on the tab partner company, it will give us a login page of the partner company. After that, if we gonna move backward and click on the advanced PV calculator, and we type the DC size, in kilowatts. After we will, here is a model type, you can select standard or premium. After that, tracking and degree of this, degree or tilt of this, and you wanna see that the 4.38 kilowatt per hour per year, it is gonna represent us. After start request, it will navigate us to the contact us with us page. This is kind of a overview, and here I have also created a page like administrator, technical administrator login page. So we have to hit an endpoint for this, which I am gonna show you, that the admin login is the thing. You have to here type admin dash login and hit enter. This is the login page of the technical administrator. Because I have kept this secret, the admin dash login, because of that, because no one can access the technical administrator login page. It is gonna be a very sensitive if someone access to this login page. This should be kept secret as possible. After we hit login button, here is a dashboard for this admin, technical administrator. He can add the data, he can edit, delete data, and here is the dashboard, logout, and these all functionalities are not in working for now. After moving to this project, next we will this make this working. After that, here I am gonna add another thing, which is owner's login page. You have mentioned in the requirements there should be an owner's login page. You have to hit the /owner login endpoint, and there will be a login page for this owners. This is same as sensitive as the technical administrators login page. So what we are going to do this, we are going to hit this stephen@gmail.com without password. It will not navigate us to this dashboard page. If we type this stephen@gmail.com, and after that we are gonna type Stephen and press on the login button, here is the owner's dashboard, which is showing the total revenue. These all are dummy data. We can modify this accordingly. If you give me the data, we can modify accordingly further moving. And here is the user role, here is an admin role, and email of this, name, new add user, you can add products, and here I have used a basic dashboard template, okay, which is looking pretty much very well. I hope you will enjoy this. So these are the all functionalities of this web. I hope this sum ups all the backend logic which you have demanded. So I wanna listen from you, what your thoughts on it, and what you want to accomplish more on this, what you more want to build from this. I hope you are gonna enjoy this. Thanks very much.